news of the state trying to transfer the venue into an adult court.
Two teenage brothers were arrested yesterday for robbing a Regions bank in Champaign. The state's attorney's office is filing a motion to charge one of them as an adult. Good evening, I'm Paul Cicchini.
And I'm Jennifer Roscoe. Both suspects were in court today. It happened at Regions Bank near West Clark and South State Street in Champaign. A 16-year-old and 18-year-old Dakir Pickens were arrested. Both are charged with armed violence, financial institution robbery, and aggravated battery. WCIA 3's Jamie Mays is with us now. So the state's attorney is trying to get the 16-year-old tried as an adult.
She wants him transferred to adult court because of how serious the charges are. But right now, he's charged as a juvenile. The 16-year-old was also waiting to be sentenced for several car burglaries. In court, attorneys said the teenagers went into the bank and tried to take money from a worker. She refused to give them access to the locked teller area. They say Pickens fired the gun and hit the employee in the head several times with it. When the brothers realized they weren't going to be able to get the money, they ran. Police eventually caught them several blocks away. I spoke with an attorney who works on juvenile cases about what could happen to the 16-year-old.
There's huge discretion in what the state does and what they feel is appropriate in this case. I mean, you know, the problem obviously when you're dealing with children committing adult crimes is, you know, their brains aren't fully developed as far as making decisions.
An attorney in court says the 18-year-old is currently homeless and unemployed. He also says he suffers from PTSD, although he has not been diagnosed. His bond is set at $1 million. It will ultimately be up to the judge to make a decision on what happens to the 16-year-old. The judge is expected to decide if he will be charged as an adult next week. Back to you.
Jamie, thank you so much. Now, this robbery was caught on video, but police say it's still an ongoing investigation. They're asking anyone with surveillance video of what happened after the brothers were seen leaving the bank, you should call Champaign Police.